Good morning, everybody. This is Mrs. Hamel, and I'm here to talk to you about your ELA today. Both assignments are calling for writing, and so it doesn't matter which one you choose to do, you're still going to start in the same way, and that is the POW and the TIDE. So you need to pull apart that prompt, organize your thinking, and write. Okay, today's prompt that I'm going to work on and model for you is this one. So first I watched the video about the sharks, 10 interesting facts about sharks. And I found that video here on National Geographic. And the reason that you need to know facts to put into your writing so that we know you actually learned about sharks, okay? And I might refer back to that. That's why I left that open. I might need to in order to understand it. So now, after I've watched it, think if I had an opportunity to go underwater in a shark cage with great white sharks swimming all around, would I do it? Why or why not? I need to use 3 facts from my reading to explain my thinking. So, knowing this tide, this is how we always start, right, guys? This is a way to organize our thinking. It's not the writing, it's the organizing phase, and it's just as important. It makes the writing so much easier. So, tide, I'm going to write a topic sentence. And I'm going to take my topic sentence right from the prompt. Would you go swimming? Would you go in a cage with great white sharks swimming around you? Okay, so I would not go swimming in a cage with great white sharks. By the way, there's no right or wrong answer. This is your choice. I'm pretty wimpy. Great white sharks all around me. So that first sentence, that topic sentence, is not a hard one today because you're just turning that question into yours. Yours is either going to say I would or I would not. Okay? That's the first one. Now comes the I and the D. And the I is that what's an important information. Oh, I'm going to say actually, let me change my topic. All around me for many reasons. And when I say for many reasons, you don't want to stick your because in that first sentence. Otherwise, you just have one sentence and be done. And that is not paragraph writing. That's not strong writing. So I'm going to say for many reasons. And now what do you think I'm going to say when I write my first one? I'll say one reason is, but I'm not there yet. Now I need to do my I and my D. My I, my D, my I and my D, and then my ending sentence. There's my tide. Okay. So one reason I know that I wouldn't do that is that they have 300 teeth. And an important detail is, or a detail about that is, even though they don't eat people, don't eat people. Now remember, I'm not writing a sentence. That's all I'm going to say. But I'll tell you my thinking. I don't want to be a person they take a bite out of just to see what I am out of curiosity. What's another fact? They are, let's see, so large. They grow to, and then I'm going to say, when you read the fact, you'll know how large they grow to. And a detail about that is, I'm going to say, I'm only 5'4". And that would be a funny detail to compare me because this is my opinion as to why I don't want to swim with the sharks. So I can stick a little bit of personal information in there since it's asking for my opinion, but I really want to use those facts about sharks. Now it's a third one. So I've talked about their teeth and their biting. I've talked about their size. Let's go back and see what else might I put? Because I'm not going to remember everything. See if I can scroll on this. It's a little hard for me actually to scroll. I might not be able to because my Screencastify is open and it's kind of, oh, there it goes. Okay. So it says, it talks all about their babies. Oh, ho, ho. There I found a really interesting fact as to why is they like to take their prey by surprise. And I'm going to say my detail will be, I don't want them to surprise me. Okay, my ending sentence. I know what it's going to be. It's going to be, remember that it's going to be something like the first one. So you're kind of restating something about the first one, but using different words. So I'm going to say, even though sharks are interesting creatures, and are unfairly hunted or are over hunted, which means that people are killing them, I will stay out of their cage. Okay, so that's me saying that same thing at the top, that I'm not going to swim with them in a cage, but I did it using different words to make it more interesting. I can't wait to see your writing. I love hearing your voices. So please share it with us today.